Good afternoon, everyone. This is Dan and Caleb with Senior Ministry E-Bike Nation. We're going to do a little more video in here. We got this nice little grassy area here, which I think is really cool. We're going to be videoing here, so get back on the trail up the grassy area here a little bit, and we're going to get back on our bikes and we're going to give it a go. Boy, it's really warm through here. Yes.
I'm on the side rusher.
Caleb's on the side rusher. Jump back 75%. We know we're going to be good then. All right, gonna head on up the grass area here. Yeah, the batteries may die on the cameras. I don't know. We'll see. I've got extra. Yep. You're right. You can definitely feel the bumps on this. More than you can that side rusher. It does make a difference. As you can see, I'm doing a little more bouncing around here with no rear suspension on this, so I'm gonna probably get some rear suspension shock put on this, or a seat post suspension. Get it back on the bike here. What you're hearing bounce back here is my bag bouncing on the rack here. And here's the trail again. All right, are you ready? Let's roll. Yeah, if my battery dies on my camera, you'll see it cut off here, so I'm not sure how much battery we got left. I did bring extra batteries, but you may have the cameras die on us here with the batteries. Caleb over there riding in the grass. Hits them woods up there, he may come back over. I know he will if that bridge comes. About another 3 miles to get to Miamisburg. They got another trail over there, I say, called the Great Little Trail over there. One day we'll have to explore that. I think that goes back towards Austin Boulevard. We'll have to see where that goes someday. Coming up on the dam here again. Nice view of the dam. barely moved. Or geese, I guess. They barely moved. They usually don't. They're not afraid of people, that's for sure. Back here on this little canoe rental place. Look what we have right there. Might actually been cleaner right that. Here comes a train. Chugging along the tracks. Oh, we got to see that anyway. It's pretty cool. How you doing? They don't even bother. Yeah, we don't see any more rain derailments. Had enough of them lately. How do you think the side rusher do going up that hill? I don't know. You want to try it? I got video of Kayla going up the hill. Side rusher couldn't handle it so well, huh? Go ahead, take the levee. Caleb's going to ride up on the levee and I'm going to stay on the trail. He did get a ride up, but most of the way. Give you guys a little different perspective of me and Caleb riding. Again, he's up on the levee. And I'm going to stay down on the trail. Side rusher climbed up it pretty good actually. Looks like the levee may end up there. We'll be together here very shortly. kind of figured you'd be back on the trail here very shortly. Yeah, these people live over in these apartments. All they're going to do is sit down and see this hill. A good windbreak when the wind comes out of the west, that's for sure. Drop down to 25. We'll see where it goes. Maybe drop the pedal assist a little bit. Down to 5 maybe.
Still be around like 50.
That's what I'm thinking. Staying right at 25 right now. Got about another 4 miles to go, I think. 3 or 4. Back up to 50. I think when I drop down the pedal assist down, it bumped back up.
Yeah.
That's what it seems like it's doing. Maybe if I bump down the pedal assist 1, it'll go back to 100. Not likely, huh? I would not want to go down that hill. Not sure you can stop yourself going in the river there. Yeah, about to get back to where we were in Miamisburg. That hill over there takes you to Germantown, Ohio. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it goes up into Germantown, Ohio. Nice little bike station down there with restrooms. Did not know that was there. little drinking fountain there for bikers, and trash cans and sitting area. Nice. We probably ought to change them both. What do you think? I guarantee this one's low. All right, folks, we're gonna have to do an outro here, which means we're gonna be shutting the cameras off because Caleb's battery just died. But we're gonna have to do an outro here, which means we're gonna be shutting the cameras off because Caleb's battery just died. But now we're gonna have to we'll do the outro on mine. He can't do the outro.
Yeah.
But anyway, we'll see you on the next video. Thank you guys for watching, sharing. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and we will see you
On the next video.